Use these best practices to get the most out of Microsoft 365 when you collaborate. Welcome to M365 Professional. To start, save your document to OneDrive. To back it up to the cloud so you can access the doc from anywhere and collaborate with others. If there are others you want to collaborate with right away, type their names or email addresses, and the file will be shared immediately. Autosave keeps everything saved automatically, so you don't lose a thing. When you're ready to add more collaborators, select Share, and send it to anyone you need to. All recipients will get an email notification to join in. When you're collaborating, everyone's working on the doc at the same time. No need to email copies back and forth. Presence indicators show where someone is making a change, and you'll see their changes as they make them. Add comments to give feedback or ask a question. Use an @mention to get someone's attention right where you need it. Anyone new at mention will receive an email notification with a comment. They can respond immediately from the email, or click a link to go straight to the comment in the document. They can even do this while they're on the go, in the Outlook mobile app. It's simple for your collaborators to keep working on the document on the web. They can switch to reviewing mode to make suggestions and add comments. When they mention someone in a comment, they can also add a task. Office.com is a great way to get back to your work, and collaborating doesn't miss a beat. When you return to the document, it's simple to catch up on recent changes. Look for the blue dots in the left margin and different color text highlighting where the changes were made. Right-click and choose to accept or reject suggestions others made. And complete tasks. Need to go back to a previous version? Select the document title and choose Version History. If you're on the go, use the Office mobile app to make edits. Comments. And stay productive on the go. Do your best work together in Microsoft 365. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.